Hey guys, we're making an easy healthy energy balls. So first we're going to start with the nuts. Those are almonds and walnuts. I'll just put them in the food processor. Then I'm going to put half a cup of cashews, the food processor. So we'll put all the dry ingredients first. Then we're going to put some cinnamon, like a quarter tablespoon of cinnamon. There we go. Then we're going to put nutmeg. That's a nutmeg. I'm sorry the light is not so good. Then we're also going to put cardamom as well, as you can see there, cardamom. So I'll just also put like a quarter tablespoon of cardamom in there. Then we're going to put a little bit of the sea salt, like 2 pinches of sea salt, just to enhance the sweetness of the energy balls. Then we are going to put the carrot powder or carrot flour. This is just from the pulp of after making carrot juice. So I just dried it and crushed it. You get that. So those are 2 tablespoons full of that. Then we're going to grate the nutmeg, so you can get the nutmeg crushed in there. I'm going to put like a quarter of a whole of a nutmeg, so you can get that delicious nutmeg flavor. There, I've put it now. Sorry, the light is terrible, but yeah, I just put a quarter of it. Just put it there. Then I'm going to process all of it into not really a powder, but a small powder. So that's it. Then we're going to put, if we don't have what I'm about to put, then we will put there are two options. Either you can put we call it coconut aminos or tamari, but for me I'm putting coconut amino because that's what I have. There I have dates, pitted dates. I'm going to put, actually I'll put a full cup. That is not fully a cup, so you'll see me adding. So this I didn't measure the tamari, but I'm thinking like maybe a half a teaspoon of the liquid. So I'll first blend it up, then I'll put the flavor is all over. Then I'm going to put the dates. I should put a cup, but I didn't put a cup. There you can see enough, but I'll add more. It end up being a cup of pitted dates. You remove the stone. You don't want disgusting energy ball. So you blend it up and blend it up until it will like stick into a ball-like consistency. So you're able to use it. So this is a nice snack. I used this energy balls when I was traveling yesterday actually, and we ate this on the way and we were not hungry at all to start eating crap. It helps you, prevents you from eating lots of junk food on the road. We have this medium, and then it took me like 5 minutes. So as you can see, keep blending. So I think I'm going to get more dates here so that you can see the amount of dates. There you go. I added, so it now actually becomes a cup of dates, because I could see it was not sticking together the way I like it. So that's how you do it. So you'll see the food processor they're starting to just hold together, as you can see there. Almost ball-like consistency. It just sticks together so nicely. So that's good enough. Just put them and now start making the balls. the energy balls. This you can also make with things. If you don't have the carrot powder, you can make with desiccated coconut. You can make with oatmeal. You can make with anything basically. Just something to give you energy, a travel snack. This is what it is. So just that, and it is delicious, people. So I'm just going to show you a few of them that I'll make. You see how they look. It's very easy, as you can see. Just take a pinch, you roll it within the palms of your hand, and yeah, you make it nice balls as best you can, and then that's it. Put them in the fridge to harden, and they're delicious. But these ones I didn't put them in the fridge to harden because I was traveling this very day, so I just took them to a container and that was it. So they are very delicious. As you can see, it's even sticking. As you try and hold it together, it keeps sticking even more. This is the right consistency for making energy balls. You can make it out of any, even you can put cacao powder if you like chocolatey balls. So this is really nice. So as I keep rolling, so that's it guys. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.